name is Hakim, and today's video I will do the weldment. Okay, first we go to top right, click the question mark, and then select tutorial, then select basic technique, and then go to weldment. Okay, this is that we're gonna to make today on this video. Next, select the click the weldment parts, and then we click here to get this file. Okay. Now, once we got this file, we need to save the file first. Okay. Okay, after we done save the file. Okay. Next, we're going to do weldment. First, we need to right click here. For those who doesn't have the weldment on their toolbar, so just right click here and then select toolbars and then find the weldment. Since I already got the weldment on the switcher, so I don't need I don't need that. Okay, first we click the structure member, and this on this selection I already put the ISO. The type, the standard is ISO. The type is a square tube, and the size is 30 times 30 times 2.6. Next, we're gonna click here, group 1. Okay, now we check here and then scroll down. There's the features that we want to use. Okay, there are type of profile, but we need to use this one. Okay, now once we done that, we select new group, which is that we need to select which new weld that structure that we need to put. Okay, the second group, we click on this side, here, here, and here. Okay, and then we right click here and then select create new group, and we create another group, and then we select this part. Okay, and on this corner we use this middle one, which is the end butt one. Okay, as you can see that there's only non touching, not like the previous one. Okay, okay, next we select, click here, and then we select group 1 and trim order number 2. Next we select group 2 and then trim order change to number 1, and we select end butt 2. Then on the set corner we tick on the set corner specific wheel grabs, and then we put 5. And then we click OK. Okay, then we go this corner here and repeat this step 2 and step 7, which is select group 1 and then select group 2 and then select group 2 and trim order to number 1 and end butt 2, tick the corner and select 5 mm and then click OK. Okay, after that we click OK. Now we got our profile and the shape looks like this. Okay, then we save the file first. Okay, then we go to 3, expand the cut list, and we can see that they are the file that we make. First here, and also here. Okay. Okay, next we're gonna click structure member and we're gonna place it on this line. First, click structure member, and then standard ISO, type rectangular tube, and lastly the size 50 times 30. Okay, then we select here. Okay, after that we click here, view orientation, and click right side. Then we zoom here. As you can see that this file is not uh it's not the same because this file is horizontal while this is vertical. Next, so we're gonna change by click here and change it to 90 degree, and then it will similar like we go flat like other file. And after that we click OK. Then we go to isometric. Okay, before that we click save. Okay, now as you can see that this file is collided with this file, so if we want to cut that, we are using trim extend. Okay, the first thing, body to be trimmed is here, click here, and then for trim boundary here, click on the spring side and then select here. As you can see that it turns to yellow. Okay, next we select on this plane, and then you can see that the yellow color show that it's a preview that this plane will be cut, will be trimmed. Then we click OK. Now we can see that uh, this plane is not true here. Right. Okay. We save the file first. Okay, next we go to the corner here. As you can see that it's collided, or should I say not perfect. So we need to make sure that this place only here, similar to here, linear. Okay, for that we use trim extend again. Okay, on the bodies to be trimmed, we select this file here and here, while the trimming boundary, select the clipping and then select here and here, and this file will become yellow. After that we click OK. Okay, now we want to extend this file on top here. First we go to trim extend, and then we click extend, allow extend. First we click on this object, and then click the trimming boundary. We click at this plane. Okay, and then we click OK. Okay. Okay, now after that we're going to make, we need to trim this side. Okay, by using uh repeat the step that we did previous. First, we click extend, bodies to be trimmed here and here, and then select here and here. Then select OK, and then uh go to extend again. Select this part, and then the bodies select here. Then we click OK. Now we done. Okay, next we're gonna add the end cup. We click here, then we click this in the middle one, which is the inward. Next, we select this plane here and here. Okay, so the thickness we put 3 mm, and the thickness ratio, and this corner, click corner, and then chamfer. You can see that there is a chamfer, and then click OK. Okay, now we go to the bottom, and then we start. We repeat step number 3 to number 7. We click the end cap, select this part and this part, then stick here. Well, since I already done the first part, which is it already fixed here, 3 mm thickness and cos 0.5, and the corner treatment, click the chamfer, and thickness is 3 mm. Okay, now I click OK. Then save first. Then we go to isometric. Okay, next we're gonna add the gusset here, which is it holds it's just triangle shape that holds this aluminum profile and this. First we click gusset, then we select this part and here. Then you can see that this gusset, and then we select, we change it to 50 mm, also 50 mm. Thickness, select here, and the location is in the middle. Okay, then we click OK. Now we will repeat this step on this corner. Okay, first we click gusset, click here and here, thickness in the middle. Okay, yes, in the middle, 50, and lastly, okay, done. Okay, next we're gonna add the filler bit. Well, if your filler bit doesn't appear here, Then we can search command, fillet bit, okay, and it will appear on the left side on the task manager. Okay, first for the other side, we select full length, the fillet size 3 mm. Okay, face set 1, first we click here and also at the back. Then face set 2 is here and here. You can see that there's yellow preview line here. After that, we click OK. Then it look like this. And after that, we're gonna apply to another gusset here. Okay, first click fillet bit. This one select here and here. Okay, then click OK. Next we go to the top. Fillet bit. Select here and here, here and here. Select OK. And then the last gusset here. Okay, done. Go to isometric. Okay, we save the file first. Next, we select here and then select bottom. Then go to tree manager and right click annotation and clear display annotation. Okay. Next, we click here and then click sketch. Then put a line anywhere. Just click here and here. And then on smart dimension, put 800. And then from this point and this point, the dimension should be 100 millimeters. And then here and this point should be 250. Okay. Next, we click OK. Then go to this line and find the center point. And first we need to find the midpoint. The midpoint is when there is a red dot here. It indicates that it's on the midpoint. Then click here. Then click escape. Now we're gonna mirror this line into here. So we go to mirror entities and entity to mirror is here. Mirror about is here. So a mistake. Mirror entities to mirror here and mirror about is here. Then we click OK. Okay, after that we exit the sketch. Then we click to isometric, sorry, trimetric. Okay. Next we go to structural member and standard ISO type SB beam size 80 times 6. Then we click here and also here. Okay. Then we go change the view first. Change right here. Okay, then we zoom first, and then on Task Manager, click Locate Profile. Then we select this point, middle point, and then the profile we goes down here, and then we click OK. Then we save the file first. And now we done our weldment. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you.